In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana effectively with a step-by-step walkthrough. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, Asana is an incredible tool for project management and team collaboration. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Asana's website. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. The process is straightforward and just follow the on-screen prompts to set up your profile. If you already have an account, then simply log in with your existing credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Asana homepage. This is your central hub for managing tasks and projects. To start a new project, look for the New Project button and give it a click. Asana offers a variety of templates that can suit different types of projects, or you can choose to start with a blank project if that suits your needs better. After that, it's time to name your project. Choose a name that reflects the project's purpose so it's easily identifiable at a glance. Once you've entered a name, click Continue to move on to the next step. Here you have options for how you'd like to view your project. Asana offers several layouts like board, list, or calendar views. Choose the one that best fits how you prefer to work, and then go ahead and click on Create Project. Now that your project has been set up, you can start adding tasks to it. Each task can have a range of sub-details including assignees, due dates, and priority levels. It's a good practice to fill out this information thoroughly to keep your team informed and on the same page. To assign a task to a team member, simply click on Assign and choose from your list of colleagues. Additionally, you can add due dates to keep track of deadlines and ensure everything is completed on time. One of the powerful features of Asana is the ability to add subtasks to your main tasks. This is particularly helpful if you have complex tasks that need to be broken down into smaller, more manageable actions. It's also useful to explore the My Task section where you can view all the tasks assigned to you. Experiment with different features Asana offers. From customizing your project with forms and rules to creating custom fields, Asana's versatility lets you tailor it to fit your workflow perfectly. With this guide, you should now have a strong foundation for using Asana effectively. Remember, practice makes perfect, so the more you use Asana, the more adept you'll become at optimizing your productivity and project management skills. Thanks for joining me today, and happy task managing.